Hello friends, my name is Saad and you are watching Gadget Rush. Today I will show you 5 different cool and cheap smartwatches that you can buy easily on Amazon. I will put the link of these smartwatches in the description box. You can check it out. Before starting the video, a small request to you all guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss my any videos. Without any further delay, let's get started.
I'm looking at the bank, say miss, I do not want to tell. Yeah, nuts with my gang. You be just a stain. Cover on my chain.
Hello?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, definitely. What time again?
Okay, Google, add more frosting to the shopping list.
I really think we should use this code.
Okay, Google, take a note. Mark M5204 for the entrance wall.
There's moderate traffic from your location.
Okay, Google, send a message to Miles.
Okay, Google. Navigate to the nearest gift shop.
Head south on 36th Street.
Happy birthday! Yay!
We believe fitness should be fun and that everything you do adds up to a healthier you. That's why Flex 2 tracks all-day activity like steps, distance, and calories burned, no matter where you're going. Flex 2 is life-proof and swim-proof. It automatically tracks your laps while you swim and other exercises like running, biking, and aerobic workouts. Then syncs it all to the Fitbit dashboard and lets you share and compete with friends. Flex 2 is designed with an ultra-slim removable tracker that hides away in classic bands, fashionable bracelets, and pendants. So it works with your personal style and goes everywhere that you do. Using colored lights and vibration patterns, Flex 2 notifies you when you're getting calls or texts when your phone's nearby. And when you need a nudge to stay active, you'll get a reminder to move that encourages you to get going and hit your goals. Flex 2 automatically tracks how long and how well you sleep to give you a fuller picture of your health. From day to night and everywhere in between, Flex 2 goes wherever life takes you.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure hit the like button and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is all for today. I will come back with another interesting tech video. Peace out.